Welcome to today's video. For today, we're going to show you how to set up your workspace using ergonomic principles to stay comfortable and healthy.
And to help us out, we have Marcus here who will be our model for demonstrating what good ergonomics looks like in practice. Let's start with the basics of desk ergonomics. First, your chair should be adjusted so your feet are flat on the floor and your knees are at 90 degrees angle.
Okay, so your lower back should be supported by the chair's backrest and your hips should be slightly higher than your knees. So makakatulong to prevent strain on your back.
Next, let's talk about screen height. Your monitor should be directly in front of you, with the top of the screen or just below eye level, to avoid neck strain.
And don't forget your arms. Your elbows should be close to your body and your wrists should be straight, not bent. You want your keyboard and mouse to be positioned so your arms rest naturally at your sides. Ngayon, let's take a look at some common ergonomic mistakes. Dito, si Marcus, he is slouching in his chair with his screen too low and wrist bent awkwardly. This might seem like small issues, but over time, they can lead to serious problems like back strain and wrist injuries.
So if you ever catch yourself in a position like this, take a moment to correct it. Sit up straight, adjust your screen and keyboard, and make sure your body is in alignment. And don't forget to take breaks. Stretch and move around. Staying in one position for too long can still lead to discomfort, no matter how perfect your setup is.